Is your Renault Trafic 72 plate alarm frequently activating? The most common culprits are faulty door contacts and the bonnet switch. Door contacts are sensors in the door jambs that detect opening and closing. They can misalign, corrode, or develop wiring shorts, leading to false alarms. Start by cleaning them with electrical contact cleaner. Use electrical contact cleaner to clean the contacts. Next, use a multimeter to check for continuity. The resistance should be less than 1 ohm when the door is closed. Misalignment is often the issue. The bonnet switch is a plunger switch under the hood that can also trigger alarms if misaligned or faulty. Ensure it's properly installed and test its continuity. Replace the switch if it shows an open circuit when the bonnet is closed. Targeted replacement of these parts, available aftermarket, is often a cost-effective solution. Always start with a full diagnostic scan before replacing any parts. If simple fixes don't work, try resetting the alarm system. A basic reset involves rapidly locking and unlocking the doors 5 times using the key fob. Alternatively, access the reset menu through the vehicle's infotainment screen. As a last resort, disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the ECU. However, persistent alarms may indicate underlying software or sensor issues that need a professional-level diagnostic scan with an OBD2 scanner. Prevention: regularly inspect wiring harnesses to prevent corrosion and faults. Avoid slamming doors to prevent contact misalignment. Apply dielectric grease to contacts to prevent corrosion. Newer Trafic models have over-the-air software updates that recalibrate alarm sensors. Ensure your van has the latest software. Consulting a professional is best for complex faults.